Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef zinger, only way. Preheat oil, prepare marinade, and set up a crisp coating station. I'll walk you through simple steps. Slice beef thin, marinate in spicy buttermilk, dredge in seasoned flour, and fry at 350 degrees F until golden. I'll also share assembly tips for the sandwich, quick sides, and how to keep the chicken-style crunch in beef for maximum bite and flavor. Start by mixing buttermilk, hot sauce, garlic, paprika, and 1 tsp salt for a tangy, spicy soak. Cut beef into 1/4-inch strips and add them to the marinade so every piece is coated. Chill for 30 minutes to let the flavors meld and tenderize the meat. While chilling, prepare your flour mix and heat oil to 350 degrees F. This prep ensures a crunchy exterior and juicy inside for the beef zinger. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart navigation make kitchen cleanups painless after frying. It's a solid helper when you love messy, delicious cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a tiny kitchen assistant. Now let's get back to the video. For the coating, whisk 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, and salt for a textured crust. Dredge each strip once, then dip back in buttermilk and coat again for a puffy, durable shell. Fry in 350 degrees F oil in small batches about 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. Drain briefly on a rack so it stays crunchy, then assemble immediately to preserve that perfect contrast of heat and crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.